There is a growing demand for fast and economically efficient solutions that are capable of repairing hazardous stretches of road. Fine milling is such a method, and it's predominantly used where slippery surfaces pose an acute danger to traffic safety. Due to innovation and investment in the latest technology, Powerplane have become the market leaders in road rehabilitation by fine milling. We've now teamed up with Roadtechs, one of the leading manufacturers, suppliers and installers of specialist surface treatment systems in the UK, and offer a one-stop shop to delivering a solution. In this example, the A303 carriageway is a concrete construction which, after many years of service, has become worn and the surface polished, leading to a reduction in surface texture.
The process of fine milling is where we use a fine milling drum instead of a conventional drum. That's 720 picks. The picks that we're using at the moment are diamond tip picks because it's more hard wearing on the concrete surface and it gives us a better finish. We take about 3 to 5 mil off the existing shiny and worn surfaces and it retextures the surface so it's just like brand new.
The biggest advantage, which is unique to Powerplane's fine milling retexturing treatment, is that whilst we are retexturing, we're also using our multiplex system. This incorporates our latest developments and integrates laser leveling, ultrasonic sensors, averaging beam and PTS. The result of this technology is that automatically and with great accuracy, the road is reprofiled and retextured with one pass. This reprofiling helps to remove any peaks and troughs from the road, especially where individual concrete slabs have displaced, and leads to a much better driving experience for the end user.
We then get a smaller machine in to come in and recut and tidy up the joints, ready for the next process by Roadtech.
Powerplane actually carry out a fine milling process. The fine milling process at the same time requires some joint repairs. So Roadtechs use a material that we manufacture in-house, which is called Techcrete. The Techcrete material is a very durable product. It's fast to install and it provides a durable, cost-effective solution to the jointing following the fine milling process. As can be seen from this sample here, the Techcrete material is a very flexible product. Here it can bend back on itself, so it has the ability to deal with the required movement in concrete bay construction as a jointing material.
Once the fine milling process has been completed, the joints are planed out to form a recess 100 mm wide by 25 to 30 mm deep, which is followed by sweeping. That process is followed by a thermal lance, which cleans and dries the repair recess. A primer is then applied to the joint via a brush or spray system, and once the primer has cured, it's then followed up with the installation of the Techcrete material.
Roadtechs have worked with Powerplane delivering solutions to Connect Plus on the M25. The product itself is available 24/7, 365. It's produced and manufactured by Roadtechs in low melt bags. The bags themselves form part of the mix, so we don't generate any waste. And the material is heated to between 180 and 220 degrees C.
The material is decanted from the boilers via bucket and then poured into the installation tool to reform the joint. Once the Techcrete is installed, it's then followed up by the application of the high PSV stone.
Normal outputs on site are between 800 and 1200 linear meters, depending on the width.
This makes it a very fast and effective system for dealing with concrete joint repairs. The two organisations offer a collaborative approach and a one-stop shop, from the fine milling process to the installation of a specialist joint repair product. In this example, there has been no need to lift barriers or reduce bridge clearance as with an overlay, and the carriageway has been micro-profiled as well as retextured. The process has rehabilitated the carriageway more economically than other treatments and has extended the carriageway life.